So I was just searching YouTube and I came across with this video. It say that there's a conductive yellow glue of death on some of the CyberPower UPS boxes, especially 1500, CP1500 and CP1350. And I start looking around and it says ticking a time bomb. But when you're searching down on the YouTube, you only see this one story of the guy who claimed that all this glue can go bad. It can turn from yellow to brownish to the black, and all the hell will break loose. And it may start the fire, and it may burn your house down. And all the smoke and toxic air is in your breathing, and it's end of the world. I'm a little skeptic about this, and I give you the reason. I have used these things many years, and I don't see no reason to start scraping off something that factory put in. I believe that if there's a real hazard, someone would have done something about it, made a complaint, contacted the manufacturer, or guys, this thing is not right. Like I said, I have used these things long time. Just replacing the batteries when they go bad, keep them clean, keep them separated, don't overload them, using exact same parts basically what they use on the UPS boxes that coming from the factory. I have purchased mine from Costco. I have about, I don't know, maybe 15 and 20 of them. And my model has to be a CST135XLU, which is not the one in question here. I have used these things on server backup. I use them on audio equipment. I use them on the desktops, and also if they go bad, I change the batteries. Simple as that. And they will always look very clean. I don't think there is that much the fire hazard. So I was curious. I opened up one of these and I looked it's inside, and I was surprised how simple it is. There isn't that much components. I can't name them. I'm not an electrician, but to me it looks really good. But wait a minute. There's a one spot I found that yellow glue right there. But to me it doesn't look like anything that I would worry about. Looking on the other side of that thing, there's a little bit over there. I guess it's needed. So what I know. Only thing I was a little concerned about this whole thing is that thing doesn't have no cooling fans or anything. It's just a plastic box with these parts inside. And I think the bigger problem would be if it's getting dusty and dirty, and maybe some people will put in the batteries that are too powerful so it doesn't shut down before it melts down. So then I was doing some Googling, and interesting enough, there's only one opinion. They are glue of death. They catch the fire. The pictures are getting more scary. And everybody's chiming in on Reddit. Everybody's chiming in on the forums, and they're telling how their system melted down and there was a smoke and everything. And I just looked down a little further and I find a one article on tomshardware.com, and it was pretty much explaining that what's going on. It can potentially cause a fire hazard, but nothing's been proven. There's only one YouTube video, the video I was talking about. Guy claimed that he have to clean the whole thing and take all that glue out to make it safe. But I believe that, like I said, if that had happened, that they all blow up in the flames, someone would said something and there will be more videos. So the CyberPower had actually responded to this whole thing, and they said they have seen the videos and they have seen the comments, but they also stating that everything is tested. Regarding comments about the adhesive, we have thoroughly tested the adhesive we use. Sorry, my accent. and our results are aligned with the industry and laboratory standards. We conducted a full laboratory study of the adhesive being used in our products and deem it safe for this application. I think I believe more what these guys say, that what these guys on a Reddit and also on a YouTube claiming, because like I said, if it's that scary and hazardous, I don't think people would have that many in their houses and businesses. So that's my take on this, and that's all I have to say. Thank you for listening.